shoot gun it? Very full. Ugh. Oh, I got the burps. Yeah. I think because I chose onion rings instead of maybe too